Guess what I got asked? The classic "what's the deal with this idiom?" Rain on your parade. I will explain it, and you've got it covered today. Have you ever experienced a situation where someone rained on your parade? Maybe you were excited about something, and someone else's negativity ruined it for you. This is the essence of the idiom "rain on your parade." The idiom "rain on your parade" means to spoil someone's plans or to ruin their enjoyment of something. It is often used to describe someone who is negative or critical towards another person's ideas or plans. To remember the meaning of rain on your parade, think of a parade on a sunny day. Everyone is happy and enjoying themselves until it starts raining, and the mood is ruined. Similarly, when someone rains on your parade, they ruin your mood and spoil your plans. Let me tell you a story about Sarah. She was excited to show her artwork to her friends, but one of her friends criticized her work, saying it was not good enough. Sarah's friend rained on her parade and ruined her excitement. Fun fact 1. The idiom "rain on your parade" was first recorded in the 1960s. Fun fact 2. The idiom is often used in the context of sports, where a team's victory is spoiled by another team. Fun fact 3. The idiom is commonly used in American English. Example sentence 1. Don't rain on my parade, I'm excited about my new job. Don't spoil my happiness and excitement about my new job. Example sentence 2. She always rains on my parade with her negative comments. She always ruins my mood with her negative comments. Original sentence: don't let anyone rain on your parade. Rephrased sentence 1. Don't let anyone spoil your plans. Rephrased sentence 2. Don't let anyone ruin your mood. Real life story. John was excited to propose to his girlfriend, but his brother rained on his parade by telling him it was a bad idea. John ignored his brother's negativity and proposed anyway, and his girlfriend said yes. John's brother realized he was wrong and apologized for raining on his parade. Similar expressions: put a damper on, spoil the fun, burst someone's bubble. Opposite expressions: cheer someone on, lift someone's spirits. Related idioms: steal someone's thunder, throw a wrench in the works. Related idiom story. Steal someone's thunder means to take credit for someone else's idea. Imagine a playwright who came up with a new sound effect for a play. Before he could use it, his rival used it in his own play and stole his thunder. Quiz: what does the idiom "rain on your parade" mean? Option 1. To enjoy the rain during a parade. Option 2. To spoil someone's plans or enjoyment. Option 3. To dance in the rain during a parade. Answer: option 2. The idiom means to spoil someone's plans or enjoyment. To summarize, rain on your parade means to spoil someone's plans or enjoyment. Remember, don't let anyone rain on your parade. Share your encouraging phrase using "rain on your parade" in the comments below.